5 quick and easy vegetable recipes inspired by the Muscular Dystrophy cookbook. 1. Creamy potato bake. Ingredients: 500 grams potatoes, 1 onion, peeled, 30 grams butter, 1 egg, 1/4 cup milk, salt and pepper, 125 grams packaged cream cheese, paprika. Method: peel potatoes, cook in boiling water until tender, drain. Mash potatoes with half the butter and all the milk. Beat cheese until soft, then add egg, peeled and chopped onion, mash potato, salt and pepper, mix well. Place into greased casserole dish, dot with remaining butter, sprinkle with paprika. Bake in hot oven for 25 minutes. 2. Creamy potato casserole. Ingredients: 6 medium potatoes, washed, 1 pkt spring vegetable soup, 1 small carton cream. Method: dice potatoes, place in casserole dish. Mix soup with cream and add to potatoes. Cover and cook in moderate oven for 1 hour, stir occasionally. 3. Cauliflower with crumb topping. Base ingredients: 1 small cauliflower, 1/4 cup cream, 15 grams butter, 1 clove garlic. Topping ingredients: 2 eggs, separated, 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup cream, 1/2 cup fresh breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard, salt and pepper, 1/2 cup grated cheese. Method: cut cauliflower into pieces, and steam. This can be done in microwave. Place in oven-proof dish. Heat cream, add butter and crushed garlic. Pour over cauliflower. Add topping. Method for topping: beat egg whites until stiff, keep. Combine egg yolks, milk, cream, breadcrumbs, mustard, cheese. Fold egg whites into mixture. Place topping on cauliflower mixture. Fill a large baking tray halfway with water. Place baking dish in tray. Bake for 25 minutes until golden brown. 4. Cauliflower salad. 3 cups of cauliflower cut into pieces. 1 red capsicum aka pepper. 1 medium white onion, peeled. 1 cup corn. 2/3 cup potato salad dressing. Method: boil cauliflower for 7 to 8 minutes, cool. Slice the capsicum and onion finely. Combine first 4 ingredients, then fold in dressing. Chill to serve. 5. Corn and capsicum flan. Line a greased 20 cm flan tin with shortcrust pastry. Image from simplyrecipes.com. Bake blind the pastry for 7 to 10 minutes. Other ingredients: 310 grams corn kernels, drained, 1 onion, peeled and chopped, 1 small red capsicum, deseeded and chopped, 1 small green capsicum, deseeded and chopped, 3 eggs, lightly beaten, 3/4 cup evaporated milk. Method: heat butter in pan, cook onion until soft, stir in capsicum, continue to cook until soft. Add in corn and heat for 1 minute. Spoon into pastry case. Combine eggs and milk in bowl and pour over ingredients in pastry case. Bake in moderate oven 180 C for 25 minutes until set. Serve hot or cold. How to bake blind pastry. Line the base and sides of an uncooked pastry case with non-stick baking paper. Image from sallysbakingaddiction.com. Fill with rice, dried beans. This stops the pastry base rising during cooking. Place on a baking tray and cook in an oven preheated to 180 C for 8 to 10 minutes. How to separate an egg. Crack the egg into your hand over a small bowl. Catch the yolk in your cupped palm while letting the white drip through your fingers into the bowl. Drop the yolk into another small bowl. Should yolk get into egg white, remove by using eggshell to scoop out.